Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I will be teaching you how to braid triangle sectioned partings for a single braiding. As you can see, I am making feathers out of the braid and hair brand called Expression. As you can see, once I'm done feathering the hair, I take the part whereas I'm going to use to attach to her hair, I break it into two and then fold it within each other. Now I went to the other side for you guys to see clearly of what I'm doing. So I twist the hair and then basically I make sure the parting is good. Then I basically cross over the hair and insert my finger in and out of the hair so it could basically grip her own hair with the attached braiding hair. As you can see, I'm going in and out, bending the 3-section braids in and out. Then I continue braiding all the way to the end. So again, you have another section, triangle parting. You have your hair, you twist it, and you attach it to the customer's hair. You wrap it around, and you go in and out with your fingers. In and out, in and out, in and out.